Hi, welcome to a short overview of some new functionality from Interlido. We're going to log into the SEO Workbench as an administrator of an account here. You can see that there are 4 reports listed in the dashboard, 4 monthly reports, and the new functionality is in the account details. So when we log in, you will see that the page looks a lot different here, and what this is going to allow you to do is going to allow you to give your users their own login to the SEO Workbench, and you can set up some configuration on that login. So let's click on Create New, and you can see here that you have listed the reports in your dashboard. So let's say we want to add a new user to the account, Bill at interleader.com. We want to give him access to 2 reports. You have the ability in the blog setup to just leave the default, which is Interlido's blog, and that's the blog feed that goes into the dashboard on the reports. If you have your own blog feed, you can just specify the RSS feed details here, and that'll be pulled into the SEO Workbench monthly reports dashboard. If you want to give your users access to Interlido's Learning Center, you can enable the checkbox there, so they can see the various videos and articles that we've already uploaded and continue to upload. And if you want to give your users the ability to edit the details on the domains that you give them access to, you can highlight this checkbox here, and that's going to allow your users to edit information such as keywords, competitors, target countries, schedules, date for the report. So in this case here, we leave the blog setup as Interlido blog default. We won't give access to the Learning Center, and we won't give access to editing the details on these domains. So we click on Save, and you can see that you have a new user added to your account here. You can see that there's some existing users here, and on an ongoing basis, if you want to delete them, you can just delete them on the right hand side here. So let's log out here, and for one of the examples that we've set up, let's log in as the user, and this is what they will see. For this user, we have enabled the Learning Center, so you can see that. If they click on the Edit Website Details, you will see that they have edit access. And just for the user that we did set up there, you can see that the administrator of this account was sent an email from admin@interleader.com. It's telling you that you've successfully set up the user, and you are given the user's new password. So in this case, you can email the user their login details and their password, which they can change naturally after. And the login details are as before, the same URL. If you want, you can also send them to Interlido's homepage where they can log in too. So you can see here the user has the ability to edit details, the target countries, the scheduled date, competitors, keywords, and they can also access the Learning Center. Okay, so this might be important if some of your users are naturally interested in the area of internet marketing and SEO, and they want to get involved in doing some of this work themselves, and you're just there as a backup or support. So let's say you have given access here to the Learning Center and the ability to edit. We log out again and log back in as the administrator in this account, and we go back into user details, and that particular user we were looking at, John at interleader.com, let's say you don't want them to see the Learning Center and you don't want to give them the ability to edit the details of their domains. So we click on Save. You've updated that user. We click log out, and we'll just log in as that user to see that they no longer have access to the Learning Center. And if they click on one of the Edit Website Details on their account, you can see that they can still see the details. You can see that the target country and scheduled date and competitors and keywords, but they can't actually edit anything now. Okay, so you can just see the details, but they can't edit them. So that's it really. That's an overview of the new functionality. It's going to give you the ability to allow users to have their own login details, It's going to be give you the ability to give additional value add through the Learning Center if you wish, and allow users to edit their own details if you wish as well. So I hope you found that overview interesting and self-explanatory. If you have any questions about the new functionality, please email support@interlido.com, and the new functionality is available from the morning of the 6th of April. Thank you very much for listening.